Heyo, what's good you guys? It's Jason, week 6 into FPV. I'm here at Donner Pass, about to film some cool shots. Let's go! Alright you guys, here we are. Got the snow sand, you know it. Woo! It's gonna be fun. I'm hiking up over here. There's an old train tunnel. We're gonna go check that out. You can't really walk in there right now, but it should be pretty cool if you try to get the drone down there. Woo! Let's go. Woo! Icy. That looks insane. Holy crap. Wow. I'm gonna try to get a little bit closer. Check out the inside a little bit. I don't want that to fall on me. I do not want one of those to fall on me. Well, we can get in close with the drone. Let's send it. Plugging in. You know what that means? Oh my god, that was amazing. I just stepped in a giant puddle. Oh my god. Yeah, so the blizzard started happening right when I started to get back. I was just flying in a snowstorm. Oh, my hands are so cold. Wow, it was so pretty in there. I wanted to go to the other side, but my signal cut out. I went as far in as I could and I started losing frequency. Yeah. Wow, you guys. Okay, that was one pack. Let's see if we can find another spot. Woo! Let's go. Heading up to the Donner Summit. Woo! It's gonna be really pretty. I can't wait. Oh my god. This is gonna be crazy. Hopefully I can find a cool spot up here. Whew. Oh, the icicles inside that tunnel were insane. Wow. Okay, see if we can top it. Whoa. Yes, sir. Damn. All right, you guys. Here I am. It's extremely windy. I'm at another spot though. Woo! There's the other side of the tunnel. Okay, let's see if I can send it in this wind. Woo! Let's go. hit myself in the face. Oh my God. One of those snow guys just drove right past me, covered me in snow, covered the drone in snow. Hopefully the ESC isn't fried. It probably is. I got that clip though. All worth it. Woo. All right, heading back to the car right now. Woo. Jesus. Man, whew, that was such a beautiful shot. Then that guy had to cover me in all that snow. I can't believe it. Whew, my hands are so cold. Here's the drone. It's seen better days. Yeah, I have a feeling that the electronics are probably going to be a little messed up, but hopefully not. Alright, you guys, that's gonna have to do it for today's video. Too cold, too windy. Oh my God, it's amazing going through that tunnel though.